couple of exhaust fans here. There's this one. There's this one which is on a switch. Turn it off. Probably gonna have to wait for it to spin down for quite a bit. But it's been not short enough. Holding my foot down on the toilet seat. This Toshiba Japanese style toilet seat is freaking me out. It might open anytime soon on me. Well, it's a very separate video of that one. This other one here is bigger. If you go out here, they're both Mitsubishi here. These ones are both Mitsubishi. If you go out here, take my piece of tissue with me. There'll be this axial exhaust fan, which will be pulling the steam out of the hot spring. Well, I've had a bit of air already. You like to use tissue when you know you video, and let's close the door. Right. This is what we'll get. Anyway, there you go. I'm gonna try to make a separate video of the other one later, but the very last one I want to show you is very cool Toshiba fan heater.